We're here at Tuana. Never had long hair. I'm gonna get hair extensions put in. KAZIM's running around here somewhere getting everything prepped. So we're just patiently waiting.
Hello guys. So my name is KAZIM. I'm the owner of Tuana Hair Design and Beauty Academy. So I'm very excited. Just our beautiful model, Sarah. So we just did her color. And I'm very excited. We're gonna do European hair extensions. This is fantastic. So she has beautiful hair, but it was short, and she's a model. She's gonna be famous after my extension. I'm very excited. Tell me how you feel about the extensions.
I am super excited about the hair extensions. I've never had really long or full or thick hair. I have that very fine, soft hair, and so I'm very looking forward to all the volume that's going to create, and that's going to be super long.
Awesome.
I'm looking forward to it.
Awesome. Now this is European hair extensions. This is 22 inches long. It's a keratin bond. It lasts for 6 months. It's really amazing. Now, it's just very amazing to change somebody's like before and after. You imagine. I'm gonna show you this in this video, before and after the pictures, because it's fantastic. Just like day and night. So now it's just my passion to change somebody become like a completely different person, because this is phenomenal. I couldn't sleep last night because I was gonna have this day, because I was all thinking about it. This is gonna be fantastic. So watch us. Now we are applying the extensions. We go this much at a time. Takes several hours, but it's worth it. And I can be fast. It's very important. I can be fast and then of course do a good job. So it takes several hours. You have to apply it carefully, and then you have to watch the hair, how the hair flows it, you know, or the cowlicks or anything like that. You have to pay attention to a lot of details when you do extensions. Just very important that you know what you're doing. I have a lot of experience, come with a lot of expertise. So I have started doing this in Europe 25 years ago. And then I'm proud of it because we do have unique techniques, and how we do it is very important. How do you feel about this extension stuff?
They're super soft. I love them. They're great. It feels natural. They're light. I can't wait to see the finished product. It's been fun sitting here putting them in and looking beautiful with this long blonde hair. I actually have full thick hair now instead of just really thin blonde hair. So I can't wait until we're all done.
All right.